What up, y'all? What up, y'all? I'm back on stake, and I just hit the 25x on my Dame Mystique. Got 8 spins. Let's get right into it. Oh my goodness! I hit big on my first spin, bro. I just turned money into more money. Oh my god! Please keep hitting big. Full connects all the way. Bunnies, toads, whatever, all the way, baby. All the way. I need something to hit even bigger than that. All the way, like all the way, all the way. That was a good hit, man. Last spin. Uh, that was such a good spin.